In this video, I am going to show you copy trading profit in pocket option. All of these profits that you are seeing right now is made without trading by the owner of this account himself. He have literally copied my trade automatically in his account by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And if you watch this video till the end, then I am also going to show you how you can make profit in your pocket option account without trading by yourself, only by copying. So first thing I want you to notice is the trade that I make, $200 per trade in each and every trade. I don't make $1 per trade in one trade and $5 per trade in another trade. I just make $200 per trade in each trade. And here you can see in one day we made 100% win in same currency pair, and another day where we have won again 100% win rate, and in another we have made 3 trades win, 1 was loss. So this is just a general status, general profit. Now you see today's profit of this account was $510, 3 trades were win. This was exactly this trade. Now if you do yesterday, here you can see again 3 win, 510 profit. This was of this. Now this is actually an account of my VIP copy trader who copies my trade automatically in his account, and he had joined my VIP copy trading Telegram channel before 90 days, and he only copies my trade. He doesn't trade by himself. As you can see here, $200 per trade he copies each time, and in all time the 19 days profit of this account is $8,202, and max trade and min trade is $200. He have literally copied my trades only. He haven't traded by himself. Now someone may say that this is a fake account, so for that I am going to reload this account so that you can be assured that this is the real account that I am showing you. Here you can see the balance is $10,702. Now this account was started from a deposit of $2,500, and the total profit that was acquired was $8,202. Now why I am showing you this? The only reason that I am showing you this is because I want to help you so that you can make profitable trades in your account automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option. So I have shown you profit already. If you have any questions regarding these profits, then you can ask me in the comment section below, and please do like this video so that this video reaches to more people like you, so that it can help them also to make profit on a automatic way. Now if you are new and if you don't know how actually copy trading works in pocket option, then I'll quickly show you by giving my example. And if you click on this social trading feature, and you see there are lots of people who makes trade, and if you copy these random people directly, then you are only going to make loss, and I'm going to tell you reason why. So let's click on this account. So his max trade is $1,000, minimum trade is $1. So now let's say you copied him 100% and he made 5 trade of $1, and he made profit in all of those trades, and he lost 1 trade of $1,000. Then his winning percentage may be high, but your loss is going to be even higher, because winning 5 trade can increase this percentage. Winning 5 trade of this $1 can increase this percentage, but if you lose 1 trade, it will not decrease this profitable trades percentage, but it will decrease your overall profit, right? So this happens when you copy random people. So you need to find an account which trades like this same amount of trade in each trade with the right money management, who doesn't overtrade, who almost close in profit each and every day. My VIP copy traders are literally making profit each and every day. Okay, so let's click on social trading again, and let's click on here, and this is the UID that you need to copy my trade. Now this is a random UID. Now how will you find this UID? Firstly, you need to join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And once you join that free Telegram channel, then you need to read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. And if you join my VIP copy trading channel, then inside that VIP copy trading channel, you are going to find my UID, which you are going to use to copy my trades. So once you get that UID, then come to social trading, go to this, click on here and click on search and put that UID at here in this way. And my name will appear at here. Once this name will appear at here, just click on that name. Now, to copy my trades, you just need to click on this copy. Now, I trade maximum and minimum trade $200 each time, no up and down. Okay. But this is a random account. I am just showing you as an example. Now you just need to click on copy. So once you click on copy, now if you want to copy my $200 per trade, then you just leave it 100%. If you want to copy my $100 per trade, then just make it 50%. So that 50% of $200 is $100. And if you have extremely low budget, then you can copy 1%, that is $2 per trade. If you want to copy $10 per trade, just make it 5%, so that 5% of $200 is $10. Okay, that's how you can set up this percentage. Now in case of stop balance, don't use any stop balance, because according to my experience, those who use stop balance in my VIP copy trading channel, they have complained me that some of my trades were not copied in their account. I don't know why, but those who were using this stop balance, that problem they were facing. That's why I suggest you to not put the stop balance, but instead what you can do is you only deposit the amount here that you want to take risk to copy my trade. Okay. Now another thing is minimum copy trade amount, you just leave it 1, and maximum copy trade amount you just leave unlimited, because if you are copying me, then I am only going to make $200 per trade. So if you copy the 5%, that means you will only be making $10 per trade. You will not make $1,000 per trade at once while copying me. So that's why you don't need to put max copy trade amount. Now once you do all of this setup, then just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades. And then soon you will start to see this kind of result in your account too. So if you are interested, join my Telegram channel and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you inside my Telegram channel. Bye bye.